Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Major, let's go! You're on!
Hi, Helly!
See ya, soldier. Come on by Sergeant's surplus hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus!
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
How they made all the buildings here so tall! Woo!
Pay more attention to the road when you're...
Something strange began to happen. Henry started to glow.
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa! Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Our sight for siren lights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't...
And you're feeling lonely, lost and let down.
Never made Dynaco proud. Thank you, King.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's a
Who'll be jamming now?
sweet pea. My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
Explode, please!
Oh, man, that's just great.
Hey, what's wrong?
My lucky sticker's all dirty.
N'achèteront jamais un produit boycotté par une foule en colère.
Non, une seconde, Bottom. Tu as misé toute ta fortune sur ce meeting.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya es suficiente. Y fuera.
McQueen and Sally. Paraphernalia Gate. K-I-S-S.
¿Les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
Maybe I can do anything I want to. If I go as fast as the Flying Scotsman...
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.
Part stealing in Paris, a treacherous lowlife, but he's the only car in the world who can tell us whose engine this is.
Roki, why are you still out?
I just wanted to see the stars.
Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen.
Ka-chika! Ka-chika! Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one...
Just because I never trusted Axelrod, you're dead wrong, man. It was...
begin. All spectators, clear the starting line.
Goedemorgen racewagen. Morgen takelwagen. Goedemorgen Stanley.
No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you. You, sir, are officially incognito.
Lightning McQueen!
What do you think? Radiator's principle.
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
So he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I...
Hey! Act civilized.
They would fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best